In this video, guys, we're going to look at keep it simple, stupid. Why? Hey guys, warm welcome to you. Alright, so KISS, keep it simple, stupid. There are different acronyms for it, but that's the one that I like the best. And that really resonates with trading. Whenever you study the great traders out there, yes, there's a few exceptions to everything, but the majority of the great traders keep things so simple, it's almost like, what? How am I keeping it so simple? So that's the secret. The secret is to keep things as simple as possible. You want to eliminate stuff, not add things. And when you see losing traders, when you speak to losing traders, one thing is a commonality, guys, with everybody, and you might see this yourself. I've been through this phase, 2003-4, I was just complicating stuff massively, and there's no wonder that it was kind of really bad trading. Only when you strip things back, and for me, price action was my thing, stripping everything back, having no distractions, being crystal clear on what you want to trade, being crystal clear on the strategy you want to execute, being crystal clear on the discipline of no distractions. And talking about crystal clear on having a simple execution venue, do check out our channel sponsor, guys. It's Core Spreads Australia. The Core Trader 2 platform is a super simple execution venue. You do not want to have all this flashing lights going on and things distracting you. Oh, an option on this. Oh, I can trade this. Oh, I can trade that. It's nice to have, but the best traders don't sit in their broker's platform all day long. The best traders do their analysis, whether they use the broker's charts, whether they use TradingView, whether they use whatever. They open up the broker, they put in their trade, they put in their limit, they put in their stop, and they leave the trade alone. They don't sit there ping pong back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. They don't overtrade. They've got crystal clear clarity on what they're trying to achieve and their setups and stuff. So go and check them out, guys. There's a link in the description below. In fact, let's head over now and let's just show you around the platform. So you log into your account, you log into your Core Trader 2 account, Core Trader 2 platform called Core Spreads Australia, and you're ready to go. You can literally have your trade up and running. You can hit your whatever size you want to be trading, say £10 a point, bang, fire away, you filled. It's just as easy as that. And then you can minimize stuff if you want to look at a chart. Charts are very, very functional here. You can open up a chart here, bang, you can see what's going on, straight away load it up, and I can trade from the chart too. So I can literally just put in whatever I'm doing, close my position off, and in one click, and I am filled and out of the trade. So super simple, and there's no bells and whistles, guys. It's a simple execution venue, and you can, if you don't want these distractions, let's say you want to be really laser focused, I don't want to see anything else other than the markets that I want to trade. You can create a watch list, call it whatever you want, call it watchers, call it watchers 2, whatever, easy to do, and you can put in just the trades and just the markets you want to watch. So let's say you wanted to create, literally, I want 3 currency pairs that I want to trade. So let me drag it into the recording window here. Let's say Euro USD, create a new watch list. All right, I'm going to call this one FX. Bang, I can put that one in. I also want to put USD JPY in. Put it in, I don't want it in watches 2, I want it in my FX one, put it in FX. And let's say I want to put cable in as well. Put in FX, great. Now I don't have any distractions. I can just be laser focused on the markets that I want to trade. I'm not being blinded by shiny flashing lights. It's just a simple execution venue, guys. That's the Core Trader 2 platform from Core Spreads Australia. Link in the description below, go and check them out. So super simple, easy to execute. That's exactly what you want. You don't want to be distracted. And this shiny object syndrome, listen, we've all been there, guys. We've all been there, been in our platform, we're trading away. Oh, look, copper's moving. Oh, look, so-and-so's moving. And we start to get distracted by that. Before we know it, missing opportunities there, we're losing money there. No, end of it. If you're doing that, end it now. Just focus on your 1 or 2 markets. Add a couple to your watch list and just focus on those. Have the time-tested patterns. If you look at some of the millionaire traders, guys, the multi-millionaire traders, the guys who are doing 10 million plus a year, or even 1 million plus a year, or even a successful trader, they're using simple patterns. They're not clouding up their charts or clogging up their charts with multiple indicators. That is the common theme I see with traders who are just spinning the wheels, because they've got the Bollinger Band saying this, the stochastic saying that, the moving average saying this. It's all very well to use an indicator as one indicator, maybe two max, but even that I think is too much, as a tool to help guide an already effective trade that's naked, if you like. That's fine, but when you've got all this stuff on, you just can't do anything. And also too many markets. Simple, couple of markets max, if not even just one. Now, I don't think it's a problem to have a few and then filter down and focus on what's in play at the moment, if you like. That's perfectly fine, I think, but the problem comes when you're trying to trade multiple things. Now listen, there's traders out there who are very experienced and can trade multiple markets because they know exactly what they're looking for, but don't make the mistake in thinking they're making it complicated. They've got a time-tested pattern, they're patient, they're disciplined, they know their strengths, and the key thing is they've got laser focus. They're not getting distracted by shiny objects. They know, hey, I'm looking for this specific thing, I'm going to trade that now. They're not just waiting for it to come to them. They're taking control of their trading. That is definitely a common theme that runs through. And I assure you that if you simplify your trading, if you strip back all the shiny lights, if you strip back all the unnecessary extra tools and bells and whistles, and you just say, right, this is my strategy, these are my markets, and too many strategies as well. You focus on 1, 2, 3, 4 strategies max. If you're struggling, then just get one nailed down, even if you're executing that once every couple of weeks. And then you add another and another. Simple, effective strategy, time-tested strategy on one market. Focus on that. You bring up your broker, you bring up the Core Trader 2 platform, you take your trade, you put your stop in, you put a limit in, or you set an alarm for when you want to check the stock, check the market, check the trade. Perfectly fine to do that. You set an alert, whatever you need to do, then you minimize it. Then you relax, then you assess, and you only start to meddle with the trade when you're allowed to, i.e. it's gone a certain direction, i.e. you've had a certain period of time. No over trading, no getting caught up in stuff you shouldn't be getting into trouble with, because that's the trouble, guys. We sit there, we have the platforms up and it's flashing this and flashing that and everything's going on, and we get distracted by something and we kind of have the urge to pull the trigger on it and do something, and of course that's just unruining any edge we have. Normally we have no strategy, we're trading on impulse, we're letting that flashing or those flashing lights and the markets control us. We can choose when to trade, and it's one of the edges we have as a resale trader. Our decision when to deploy capital, when to deploy risk capital, when to get involved and when to not get involved. We don't have to be in the markets all the time. So pick your sweet spot, keep it simple and keep the risk managed. And by the way, guys, if you haven't already, do check out our channel sponsor, Core Spreads Australia, and their Core Trader 2 platform. There's a link in the description below. Go there now, check them out, open up a demo, have a little look around, and just see how tight some of the spreads are and how simple their platform is. It's a really good, kind of simplified, simple execution venue. Take care. Bye-bye.